Hey guys, welcome to Wars of Retirement Adventures. Today, I gotta fix the problem that my contractors left with me because they didn't want to fix it. Bathtubs, especially where they're electric or they got a sauna or jets and stuff, they have to have access panels to get in here to work on them. Well, I asked them, and they're supposed to put the access panels in, but this is what they put. They screwed this in there. This is their access panel, by the way, to get into to work on this. I took one off already, and this one here is a fake access panel, so I'm taking this off. They had that up in there like that. I had to take this off because I put in a new overflow to match the faucets and stuff. So once you take these access panels off that they put on, they're destroyed. So they refused to do anything about it. I asked for floor fronts to match and I would do it. Instead, I went ahead and just made my own because I just got tired of waiting. They said they're not going to do it anyway. So I made this to match my mirror that I have on the other side of the wall. And this is what an access panel is supposed to do. Right there. That gives you access if you have a problem. And all you gotta do is just chop it up and take it off. I put Velcro on it on both sides, so it just snaps in place. It matches what the mirror is. This stuff doesn't match anything. It's like a little picture frame they put on there. So I'm going to take this off. I made another frame to put here after I get that off. And then I got another one of these. As soon as I get this one off, I'm going to go ahead and make another one of these access doors and put that there so I can access the electrical part of the tub. So, sometimes contractors just don't know what they're doing. And it's obvious this time that this guy didn't know what he was doing, and they didn't want to fix it. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Piece of cake. Unfortunately, the house is still under warranty, but I still ended up fixing it, which really is, it's not too professional. So I'm going to pop the rest of this stuff off. Cheap stuff. Pop that off like this. I gotta get some pliers and pull these little nails out, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on right over top of that. And then I'm gonna have to repaint everything. I gotta sand this paint down so it's smoother, and then I'll repaint that. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I get it repainted. Okay, I was able to get one of these strange screws out with this bit, but it just tore the heck out of my bit. So unfortunately, that one's dead. This one's dead. So here's a trick I learned back in the day. You just take your drill, put it on the screw itself. Pretty easy. There's a screw. That's one way of getting them out. I don't know if there's another screw in there or not. Let's find out. Don't look like it. Oh yeah, I see it right there's the screw. They kind of hit it. Okay, well here's what I'm talking about, folks. When I say you need to have an access panel. If you can look in there, right here is my electrical box. So if that but it came unplugged or something happened, how would I get to it? You can't, because of this stupid access panel they supposedly put in there. Okay, I had to sand all this down. I had a piece of wood split here when I took this one off. Again, these are supposed to be access panels. It's really, really frustrating when you have to, as a homeowner, have to come back and fix what the contractor screwed up. So I'm fixing to nail this on, and then I have to repaint the wall, the cabinetry, which is okay. And then this one I got in the garage, I've got the access part almost done. I'm gonna paint that and put that there. So I'll show you the finished product. Like I said, this one here is gonna go right into here. Just like that. Of course, I gotta repaint that where it came off because I had to get into here to fix that. Hey, welcome back. I got my second door access panel ready to install. I've only got one coat of paint on it, just like everything else, and I'm gonna put that right here. That's actually an access door. So I came up with a better idea than the other one. I put Velcro up here, put it in, but I got a smidge of a gap that I really don't like. So what I'm gonna try, I thought to myself, I said, hey, self, I'm gonna get this piece of wood, and I put a little piece of balsam wood on top of there. Reason being because the thickness of this, see how that's the same thickness. So when I install this here, it's going to be back 1/8 of an inch where this Velcro is going to sit here because this backing is going to be level equal to that. So you need to have that sticking out a little bit or this will stick out. So you want this to stick in a smidge, just like that. And I'm gonna put a piece of Velcro on here, Velcro on there, and then see how much of a tight fit I have for that. So let's go ahead and try that. All right, pull out. Okay, I'm back. I had to countersink these to make these fit flatter. Like I said, you put this and this on at the same time and then it sticks on here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Look at that. Now that, my friends, is an access door. Which means you can access your electrical issues, if you have any electrical issues in your spa tub. So that's pretty easy. Contractors might want to take a look at this and see how well that works. Okay, hey, welcome back. I had to put some wood putty in this hole where the plywood had peeled because, you know, it wasn't really an access panel. It was put on there with screws. So I had to patch that before I could repaint it and then I'll finish the job up. I'm using this little handy dandy mouse from Black & Decker. And these things are, I mean, they're perfect. Perfect little sanders. That's nice and smooth. I'm gonna paint that and then I'll be done with this project. All right guys, guess what? I am done. D-O-N-E. Got the access panels in. As you can see, they look pretty good, in my opinion. Got the nice tight fits. All the sides are sealed. Everything's good to go. You just gotta pop them off. I even fixed a little caulking that they forgot to put in the corner. And there she is. She matches the mirror. So the trim actually matches the other trim that's in here. And I don't like this tub. This tub, if I was you guys, if you ever see this tub, it's got these massage balls things here. Don't get this tub unless you're 7 foot or 6 foot. My legs do not touch this. So I can't put any pressure on that to even feel the massage. So don't let anybody talk you into this tub. I don't know what it's called, it really doesn't matter. But if you see this tub, if it's not a jet tub, don't get it. I mean, it was probably a good idea, but this does not work worth a darn. So don't get that. Appreciate everybody watching. Hope everybody learned some tricks to the trade.